What's up, everyone? It is really cold out, but I think the bass should be biting. So I'll show you what I'm gonna start out with today. I got a red spinnerbait, a red crawfish looking rattle trap or lipless crank. So that's what I'm gonna start out with today, and we'll see if I can get on any fish. All right, let's go. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear me that well, but this is the creek and this creek or ditch, I guess you could say. I'll be fishing this today, and you know, since it's windy out, I'm thinking about just throwing those moving baits to see what we can do. Alright, so I guess I'm going to start out with this red spinnerbait. Be fishing downstream. Got her. Alright, this is gonna be the money spot right here. Oh, that's, yeah, okay. We're not gonna go off that cast. Yep. Ah, well, there's my first catch right there. What a great fishing partner. Well, we got first fish on right here. There we go. There we go. That's how we do it right there. Let me tell you about it. Yep. I got that dude coming right off those trees right over there. It's coming out of the water. You should see the colors on his back from the sun. Dang. Look out, Pepper. There he goes. Well, dang! I about took out my eyeball right there. But caught that nice stump. We're good. Alright. Let's go, Pepper. Let's go.